What is up, all my friends, family, and viewers? Welcome back to another video. So today it is Saturday, the 14th of April, and I'm gonna do a little vlog today, show you guys around the house what we're doing. I don't think we're doing much today, but you know, I'm just trying to vlog this whole week because we have no school, April vacation, and Zachary's actually fixing his vehicle again. He has to put a new steering thing in, because without that he can't have his truck inspected. But yeah, I'm actually uploading the video right now of the cow day. It's at 50% with 46 minutes left, because I'm uploading on the good internet. No one knows that, so the internet's gonna, the speed is gonna go really down really quick. But yeah, let's get on with the day. What are you doing? What are you doing, dog? What are you doing? Are you being lazy? Oh, you want a belly rub? Yeah. Yeah. She wants a belly rub. Look at her little. Oh, I got you. Oh, I got you. Oh, give me it. Give me it. Look at her head. She loves this toy. This is her favorite toy. That one and that one right there. I'm gonna go outside now, and we're gonna see what Zachary's doing. That's one of the things. Why is it like under the whole engine? Huh. So it's nice to steer. Nice to steer. But how much were these things you bought?
$35.
$35, buddy. These are
cheap as hell.
Okay, guys. So yeah, yesterday Zachary actually got new speakers for his vehicle. He got just two normal speakers that go in the driver's side and the passenger side front door. They're not the best speakers, but the other ones didn't work. They didn't make any sound. So it's way better. They're way louder. And also yesterday my mom told me to throw. What?
Lower the drift tires on.
Oh, you're gonna drift her? Yeah, yesterday my mom told us to throw some apples out in the woods because she had some extra apples from somewhere. So what I do, I threw my Zachary's vehicle. Hope you guys like that little montage kind of thing too. I just thought I could be like Peter McKinnon or something like that. I can't though, so yeah. But the good thing is the snow is finally going away. Even though we still do have some more snow over here, this whole giant pile of snow is gone. And we have some trash here now, which we need to pick up. And we also have stuff down there we need to pick up and on top of the deck. But it's going good. It's going good. And my dad put a new step in here because Zachary thought he was really cool and he thought he could plow the driveway with a tractor. He can't. And he broke the other one, as you can see. So this one is way more sturdier. Alright boys, for lunch I'm gonna make this hot and spicy chicken noodles and stuff. And I'm gonna say now that I'm gonna die, because every time I've had this, I'm just gonna say it didn't end well. But yeah, let's put some water. I don't really know how to make it, I forgot how to make it, but hopefully it tastes good. First step. Oh my goodness. Empty these bad boys. Here we go. Like that. Oh yeah. There we go. Then also empty this. Oh wow, this looks bad. I'm gonna die. This is the last video. Thanks for watching. And subscribe. So it said put it in for 3 minutes, which seems like a lot of time. It seems like it's gonna get really hot, but I don't know. I'm just gonna listen to what it says, and after that comes out, I have to put this in. But I don't know if I want to put that in because I'm gonna die if I do that. Oh my goodness! And Bella's just watching me. She always watches me, right, Bella? Yeah, as long as it's over. Okay, yeah, that's pretty cool. So I didn't put the hot stuff inside the noodles, so it wasn't bad. Zachary is inside, but they're still trying to fix his vehicle. The steering column thingamabob or something like that. Like I said earlier, and it's stuck. It won't come out. And Zachary's mad now. So get off the table.
No.
I was playing Xbox. Yeah. I've been playing Xbox for like half an hour maybe. But Zachary and my dad left to go to my grandparents' house to go get something. And it looks like they're gone now. Did they leave again?
Who?
Zachary and Daddy.
Yeah.
Okay, well.
What do you mean Zachary and Daddy? They're up there.
No, they're not. The truck's over there is gone, and Mama's vehicle's gone.
Oh, Mama went to go to the store.
Oh my god.
Mama had to go to
Oh my god. What are you doing? No, what are you doing?
See you, beep.
Guys, I know you can't see me, but I'm currently out in the woods right now in my hunting blind, trying to find a deer. So I'm gonna unzip this real quick. Unzip. Oh, you hear that, guys? Oh my god, I hear that. Do you hear that? Oh shit!
I think they can hear. I think they can hear.
Pretty big.
You have 3 windows.
And I'm also in my little hunting seat too, so the deer
You need a flashlight.
are not gonna be able to see me. I'm just gonna ball out. That's basically, yeah, I got my little teeny here.
Nobody wants to see your crotch. We know.
Look at this, guys. I got
I have a better
1,
house though.
2, 3, and with a door behind me on my
Where's Zachary?
hunting seat. Upstairs. Or downstairs, but don't open it. Because these are really hard to put back.
Head and just start rolling this on you.
Yeah, so about like half an hour ago, Bella was hooked up outside, like right out here, and I unhooked her so she could like go smell the ground because she thought she saw a mouse or something. So when I unhooked her, she was smelling it, right? We turned around, she was gone. She ran like through the woods all the way up here, we think to the road, because we ran with her, we're trying to follow her, and then I was searching for like 15 minutes after that, and then I came back, and then she was laying on the couch. So yeah, she came back somehow.
This bar is made with delicious cranberries and almonds. So guess what? We call it cranberry almond. Find your favorite and give kind a try.
Oh my god, guys, look at this.
Start the app, then pay in
Oh my goodness. This thing is a big piece of chicken. This is my favorite noodles ever, and these are carrots. Pretty sure y'all knew that, but I just thought I'd tell you again.
Tyson's motto was,
I'm just still baffled by this.
every nugget,
But it's pretty sad it all has to go.
keep it real, keep it Tyson.
Watch.
Leave it.
It's something that you'd have to. There's a lot of learning involved.
No, mechanics are really dirty. I know that.
They are done, guys. They took this thing out right here and put all the new stuff in.
I guess. My legs don't start.
So yeah, my dad basically did everything.
I thought my legs don't start tomorrow. I'm lazy.
For real?
Huh? Just put there's stuff on. I don't know. It's getting cold outside.
Oh my god, suck it up. You haven't done anything today.
Riley, really?
Suck it! Suck it! You done anything today? I took everything off.
What? I can say that. I know I haven't done anything today either, but you did all this work. Zach was just sat there and watched.
I can't do this, but I can't do something if I don't know how to do it.
So this car here, like, tell me some big old specs on this truck right here.
2002.
Oh, get ready, ready?
No, you don't need. When they need a truck, truck review. Zach, it's like truck review. Like, oh, okay.
Okay, Zach, ready? Agree? Truck review right now.
Okay, here we go. Here, guys, I'll tell you guys about my truck here. This is a 2002 Chevy Avalanche. 1,000. No, I think it's like 1,500 horsepower. Yeah, Dad bought it for me. It's a nice truck. Interior, nice interior. I can't look in there. Alright, I'll show you this right back here.
Seatbelts, everyone! Please let this be a normal field trip with a friend. No way!
Cruising on down Main Street, you're relaxed and feeling good.
That's when the magic happens. That's one right here. Come over down here. It's a turbo right there. A turbo. A turbo right there. This is a V8. This is the aftermarket intake. It takes 50% more air. This is my NOS right here. Open this up. There's some NOS in there. Right here, these are 50-inch tires with 100-inch tires on there.
Shit.
Interior. I just got some strong speakers on this weekend. Yep, those are nice speakers. Yep. Got these aftermarket camo seat covers. 100 horsepower if you didn't know that. This right here, this is the this right here. This turns on my turbo boosters. Makes you go 50% faster.
Can you try it out right now? Just do it.
Oh no! Oh, she shouldn't turn on right now.
Oh.
I had to turn it off. It only works when the vehicle's on, you know.
Oh.
Okay, I'll show you the back right here. This is where I put all my drugs. I don't have drugs. This is where I put all my other extra stuff, you know. Yeah, you know. And then back here, this is where I hide bodies. I mean, now this is where I keep my old parts up in here. I'm always upgraded constantly, so. You guys on a truck review. Just always gonna get better. I'll see you next week.
Okay, so I know this vlog isn't really that entertaining. It's pretty boring. But I'm just trying to see if I can vlog every day of this week. Yep, you heard it.
No,
you heard it first.
happening.
Yeah, it is. Every day of this week. Every day of this week. Just so I'm not really bored the whole day for the rest of the week because we have vacation and everything. But I don't know what's going on tomorrow. Tomorrow morning we do have supper or breakfast with the fam, like I told you earlier. That should be interesting. We might ball up tomorrow if it's warm. They said it was supposed to be 60 today. It's been 30 all day, so they are lying. Zachary's gonna finish up putting the skid plates on his vehicle, and it should be freaking ready to go. Holy shit! It's so cold. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, there's the giveaway, guys. How many entries do I have? 12,380 with 3 hours left. I entered in the biggest camera giveaway so far in the year, and it's gonna be pretty awesome. But got 3 hours left, and you win all this stuff. But I'm gonna end this video here. I know this video wasn't that entertaining, really. I just thought I'd upload something. But I hope you all did enjoy. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, share with your friends, turn on my post notifications down below, and I'll talk to you all later. Peace out.